Your reaction to this announcement by the ICC?
I mean, the way I view this is probably the most important ruling a court could have made in the history of international humanitarian law. You have Israel, which has been in an occupying state over Palestine for decades and acted with complete impunity and support by Western and local, regional, other states for decades. And for the first time in the history of Israel, in the history of allegations made against Israel, you have the world's most senior criminal court finding reasonable ground for widespread and systematic attacks against the civilian population, which in turn turns into allegations of very serious war crimes.
Israeli Foreign Minister said the ICC has lost its legitimacy, and the fact that Hamas, which is designated as a terrorist group by many Western countries, has welcomed the decision, doesn't that speak volumes?
Well, I mean, I think Israel should also welcome the decision. The decision is based on evidence. Evidence can be is put to the judges. The judges look at that evidence, and that evidence then is subject to scrutiny by a defence counsel. And if there is any issue or credibility with that evidence that's put forward, that will be dealt with at trial. And you don't hear the same kind of allegations coming with regard to the ICC when the International Criminal Court issued an arrest warrant, for example, against Putin or African leaders. And in those circumstances, it was the bastion of international humanitarian law. It was championed for what it was doing. It's a curious suggestion that now suddenly it's something other than that.